John Cena is forced to pay up on a bet after an MLB prospect makes his major league debut. Backstory, the WWE superstar met then minor leaguer Logan at a restaurant back in the day and proposed a wager.
I bet him $1 that he wouldn't make the major leagues. And I said, I'll shake. I want to give you my information. This is my phone number. I want you to hold me to this bet. I'm going to bet the averages. You're not going to make it.
Well, Tuesday night, the 22-year-old made his debut for the Padres, and he absolutely crushed it. Logan went 7 scoreless innings, getting his first major league win over the Brewers. To make it even sweeter, Cena witnessed the whole thing from the stands, rocking Logan's jersey. Afterwards, the lefty tweeted, "Unbelievable night, one I truly will never forget. Thank you to everyone that reached out. John Cena, you owe me $1. Let's go Padres."